Hi, everybody. It's FIBO Group, and you're watching to the Market Watch review. Asia-Pacific equities were mixed. However, Europe's Stoxx 600 is slightly stronger after yesterday's 1.4% increase. The U.S. futures are softening. After the drama, sterling and the yen are still trading calmly. Most major currencies are consolidating. Yesterday, gold was rebuffed after briefly trading above the 20-day moving mean and settled just below $1,650. It currently trades at $1,640 in European morning. The December WTI is at the lower end yesterday's range. It currently trades at $83.40. Asian Pacific market. The new spending bill for Prime Minister Kishida is expected to be released towards the end of this week. It is estimated that the package will cost between 20 and 30 trillion Japanese yen. It will also include spending by local governments. Additionally, it may make use of some unspent funds from previous budgets, particularly last year when tax revenues were higher than expected. Today, the dollar is within a half yen range above JPY 148.60. Volatility from the previous two sessions has disappeared. The news that the Australian government expects the fiscal deficit will be half of the amount it projected for the year ending June seems to have little effect on the Australian dollar. After two periods of dramatic swings, it is now consolidating. Market of Euro. The German IFO survey, which performed better than expected, has not provided much comfort for the euro. At 84.3, the overall business climate was not significantly different. The euro was held at $0.9900, with support around 0.9850. The euro was able to hold its highest level in comparison with the Swiss franc within 3 months. Sterling remains firm, but it is unable to reach the $1.1400 level yesterday. Support is tentatively being formed in the 1.1250 to 1.1275 region. Market of America. The disappointingly low flash PMI led to speculation that the Federal Reserve would slow down its rate of hikes after next month's 75 BP increase. After contracting in the first quarter, it seems that the U.S. economy is losing momentum. Today, the U.S. reports August house price data. The Fed tightening financial conditions can lead to downward pressure on asset prices and houses, as well as property prices. The U.S. dollar trades quietly against the Canadian currency in a 20 to 25 tick range, with the settlement of CAD 1.3705. That's all for me. Closely monitor the news background and be prepared for all the surprises of the market.